How are people gonna know that I'm the local warlord? Are you recording?
Yes.
Did you get that last part?
Yes.
Listen, I am the local warlord.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers.
I am the local warlord. And Tropo Gay, President Carter. We've done this bit?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. Well, great. We're already recycling content.
There's a new sheriff in town. His name is Warlord. Whatever.
I'm the sheriff. What's your name, Sheriff? Warlord. What? Oh, holy clutch.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Hey, the GT, the black GT has the 10 speed, so he's gonna be just cruising.
Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome to the vlog.
I don't know.
This will be a vlog. Welcome to our Diablo Lake vlog. We're going to Diablo Lake for the day. I have not been there. Have you been there?
No.
I haven't been there in like 12 years or something like that. We got Owen in the 2019 GT350. We have our buddy Joe in his 2019 Mustang GT. And we are rocking the 07, so, and I think we're meeting Almer up there with his also 2019 GT350. So we are officially in the slowest car because we can swing this one a lot more
Oh,
funly.
yeah. We won't have to worry about breaking things.
No, so let's go.
That was an intro.
I thought that was pretty good.
Yeah, that works.
just so you know.
So I don't fling out the window. Respectable. Woo!
Oh, she smiled. Did you see that?
Oh, dude.
She gave a giant smile.
Should've got that number.
Hey, she was driving a Jeep. I like Jeeps.
Yeah, especially girls that drive Jeeps.
The brake he has. So when he brakes up there, I gotta brake back here.
I really need to learn to stop making happy noises every time you start driving, Connor.
So the car makes its own sound effects, bro.
I don't think that's the right sound.
Oh, not this car? We don't have a single forced induction car.
That's true.
It's all naturally aspirated V8s.
That's true.
You know why? Because fucking America! Woo! We can't use that.
No.
We can't use any of that.
Send it.
So what are we doing?
I'm driving a Mustang. That's what's going on right now.
Oh boy.
Wee bit nervous, but it's okay.
Nope. Oh, they want you to go.
Yeah.
A little bit wobbly. Feels weird, right? Wow, good driving.
I really want one of these now.
All right, we're both getting S50s now.
Oh
Deal?
my god, I want one of these now. Oh my god. This is too fun.
I'm not gonna lie, Ryan, and don't take this the hard way, but I was really terrified because I've never driven with you.
I'm a good driver. I told you. I told you I was a good driver.
Yeah, you are.
I don't bullshit.
You are. Yeah, I want an S550. This thing sounds great. It only has 9,000 miles on it too.
Oh, that was fun. That was really fucking fun.
So that was interesting to watch.
Dude, did you see his car? Yeah. Dude, this is I really like this, dude.
I want one.
Yeah, if we go any further.
You were driving it well. Yeah.
Forget to put it in school mode.
Nope. I literally was sitting in the car.
No, sir, I do not.
I got in the car. I went. I was like, huh, do I want to go track though? I was like, nah. And then you were pulling out. Ryan was pulling out. I was like, out.
Hi, Jack. You guys were hauling it too.
Yeah.
No, not at all.
Let's try it. Some flybys, quick flybys.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
It seems like. Oh man, so many rocks. Okay, I think we,
Gotta wait a second.
yeah, get some room, I guess.
So does this thing just grip?
As far as I can tell, yeah. Sometimes I still get scared, but it's probably the car has so much more before the limit, and I'm just not used to it.
Yeah.
But it grips so well. Even when it's losing traction, it's like you're not really worried. You feel like it's still gonna stick on the road.
Jeez.
These fat tires really help.
Yeah. And they're basically just slicks.
Yeah, Owen's ones are as close to like slicks as you can get. Maybe like the Toyota R888 is the only thing between that and like full-on slicks.
Jeez. Oh my god.
Pop, pop, pop.
So that's fun.
Yeah. Imagine being Ryan, like,
I know.
these three cars come down. Now we just get to do the same thing going uphill.
Oh, yep. Even more terrifying.
I'm gonna see if I can try to get into second so it's a bit louder.
This thing is so nimble.
Yeah, I freaking love it. There are people who have never heard of this car, and they hear you say Mustang, and their thought immediately goes to Cars and Coffee, and this is like just not,
Yeah.
you know, not
It
in the
just-
traditional sense.
It just grips.
Oh, we just kind of like waited and like got some room.
So this is insane. Yeah. Should we get you a little bit more hood rat shit?
He don't give a fuck, it don't matter. He's under 27.
So, holy shit. I was in the GT3, I was in the black. Whoa.